Hi everyone, I'm Victor. Today we'll check out the different holidays happening on April 10th. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. National Siblings Day. National Siblings Day is celebrated annually on April 10th in the United States. This day is dedicated to honoring the special bond between siblings and the unique relationship that exists among brothers and sisters. It was founded by Claudia Everett in 1995 to honor her late siblings and to raise awareness about the importance of family connections. National Siblings Day is an opportunity to show appreciation and love for your brothers and sisters, whether they are your biological siblings, step-siblings, or close friends who feel like family. People celebrate the day in various ways, such as spending time together, sharing childhood memories, exchanging gifts, or expressing gratitude and affection through messages or social media posts. The day serves as a reminder to cherish the special bond between siblings, recognize their importance in our lives, and celebrate the unique connection that exists within families. National Hug Your Dog Day. National Hug Your Dog Day is celebrated annually on April 10th. This day is dedicated to showing appreciation and affection for our canine companions by giving them hugs. Dogs are known for their unconditional love, loyalty, and their ability to bring joy and companionship into our lives. To celebrate National Hug Your Dog Day, people can give their furry friends some extra cuddles and attention, take them for a special walk or outing, or even treat them to a new toy or treat. Sharing pictures of hugging your dog on social media platforms. Spread the love and encourage others to appreciate their canine companions. National Cinnamon Crescent Day. National Cinnamon Crescent Day is celebrated annually on April 10th. This unofficial food-related holiday is dedicated to appreciating the delicious cinnamon crescent pastry. Cinnamon crescents, also known as cinnamon rolls or cinnamon buns in some regions, are a popular sweet treat made from rolled dough filled with a mixture of sugar, cinnamon, and sometimes raisins or nuts, which is then baked to create a tender, flaky pastry. To celebrate National Cinnamon Crescent Day, people can indulge in a cinnamon crescent from their favorite bakery or try making them at home using various recipes available online. It's also a great opportunity to share this tasty treat with friends, family, or coworkers. Some bakeries may even offer special deals or promotions on cinnamon crescents in honor of the day. National Encourage a Young Writer Day. National Encourage a Young Writer Day is a day dedicated to inspiring and motivating young writers to pursue their passion for writing. It is an opportunity to celebrate and recognize the creativity and talent of young writers and to encourage them to continue honing their skills. Writing is an important form of self-expression and can be a powerful tool for communication, personal growth, and social change. By encouraging young writers, we can help them unlock their full potential and make a positive impact on the world. To encourage a young writer, there are many things that you can do. You can start by providing them with the necessary tools and resources, such as pens, notebooks, or a laptop. You can also give them access to books, articles, and other materials that can help them improve their writing skills. Additionally, you can offer them constructive feedback and support by providing them with guidance, encouragement, and recognition for their achievements. National Farm Animals Day. National Farm Animals Day is a day dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of treating farm animals with kindness and respect. It is a day to celebrate the vital role that these animals play in our lives, as they provide us with food and other resources that are essential to our survival. The day is also an opportunity to acknowledge the often challenging conditions that farm animals face and to promote humane farming practices that prioritize their welfare. One of the ways to observe National Farm Animals Day is to learn more about the issues facing farm animals, such as factory farming, animal cruelty, and the need for better animal welfare laws. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.